Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Usembut Menteri Ramba Kejela ubah Prestone tensong ulalumnya ke Jingïalang bat ke officer kibadai ni kita nak terekam bapher jong ke sarkar jela nak kebenta ban Ïaid Beit ke rukom penteri ki projek lakadai ki projek ki basna thamai kintup ki projek ki bedai bat ke Jingïalang Surok. Haba krench kilat patai kubor hadin ke Jingïalang ke balalong has secretariat hagas ni baar ke khat sound terik unaiwing arajar ar pulai ubah Prestone uloong bahagani ke Jingïalang bat kitna terikam bapher jong ke sarkar jela laya kren kumno ban penklanya ke rukam terikam jong ke PWD lada kalong ha ke basna thamai ke Surok ban maramot bat kiwei ki jing pentrei. Uloong bakum bakalong menta ke Meghalaya kadan hadu 10,000 kilometer ki Surok ki baka sarkar jela ka pej lajno jong ke National Highway Authority of India bat ke National Highway Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited. Kumta uli atho basyan ke sarkar kan sawanra ya ke office memorandum ke badan ki jinglum jingtip ki babnya ki baladep banyak keren kat kum ke jing batai ni ke presentation ke balapen i khanang ban snguto kino ki Surok ki bala ken bagi de ki Surok ba kino ki Surok red ni ki Surok shnong nalor ki wei ki project. Kumta hagani ke Jingïalang ladep banyak keren sani bha bat shen ansa penmi ya ke office memorandum hakabai dei bat keni ke benta.
I'm having a review meeting and a presentation jointly done by planning department and then from finance as well as from the roads. And the presentation is only one issue, and the issue is how to improve the working system of the PUD, be it the new road, be it the construction of new road, be it the repairing, the maintenance of the old roads. Because right now, in the state of Meghalaya, we have not less than 10,000 kilometers of our own state road, excluding the national highway, excluding the road handed over to NHITCL. So we discuss all these details, and very soon we will come up with ON, all the detailed ON, where we discuss over there as per the presentation that we should to categorize even the state road that we have here in the state. Which one is a major road? Which one is a minor road? Which one is village road? Which one is the most commercial viable approach road? These are the issues we discuss, and then we have already finalized everything, and we will come up with with all those issues in the form of the office memorandum.
Hagabai day pat bat ka jingdawa jong ki pat ba ka than war Jaiñtia ban le AA no ya gadhar construction company ka bakila kenno bakalasna bat traitorti ka Surok ka batang hadin arbanai balada banshna ka jinglong jingman jong ka Surok kala jot rathai nakaliang ba Prestone uloong ba yamenta ampat la ban ong AA hagabai day bat kani hinrei an ailat shwa bagakan kan Ïaid bat hadin balayo lut ya ki Kaiphod an sala ban bishar namar kani ke Surok ba ka bapej da ke NHAI bat ka klem ha mapo ka jingpej jingkmi jong ka sarkar jela bat ka bor ka shong ha ka National Highway Authority of India.
Sir, recently there was an allegation into the corruption into the implementation of the road in Amlarem in West War Jaiñtia Hills. What do you have to say?
That one, I think, in fact, I've already instructed the CE National Highway to look into it, because, in fact, this provision is being done by the RO. We call it this RO station from Guwahati of the Nahai themselves. They are the one who even passed the bill, everything, and I have already instructed there for my chief engineer whether the allegation made is correct or not, and we will see that such kind of recklessness in the execution of project, be it road, be it any project in the state of Meghalaya, should not happen like that.
So the GAC, comprising of the headmen and NGOs of that area, they have demanded the government to blacklist the Dahar construction company because after 2 months of completion of this road, and the road is now in a dilapidated condition.
Well, I can't say right now whether blacklist is required or not. Let the process start. Once the process starts, I will know exactly once the report I get all the details, because as I said to you, directly this is linked to the Nahai, because this is a national highway. It does not fall under the state government authority. So the Nahai is the sole control authority of this project.
Sir, but yesterday the High Court had sought a report from the state government regarding the status of the National Highway 6 in Jaiñtia.
Well, that one too, the repairing work started already. Repairing work started already, right from, let me tell you, right from, I think, from Clarion side. They already started now, the repairing work is on. And the Nahai has already engaged a contractor to do the repairing work. And now, as I said too, the work is on. And I'm sure very soon they'll be able to complete it.